Front a little bit now. Stretch that rear my side just a touch. Leave the front where it is. The tail a flick again, right there.
Well, she's an Award of Excellence winner, a Grand Victrix in Canada. She's an American Select Champion. She's a herding title winner. She's done it all. And it's a winner because she comes back home and sleeps on my bed.
This was the day that she won her American championship. She's already a Canadian champion, so she now has both championships, and she's 8 months old. She started showing when she was 6 months old. She's a French Bulldog. As you can see, she's one of the classics in the breed.
She thinks she's all that. She's a very good American foxhound. She's put together very well. She's a beautiful head, but she's got this it factor that tells everybody I'm the best no matter what you think. I'm going to make you think I'm the best. And she's quite a little princess. A good girl.
You better start paying.